Hi, my name is Najmuddin Rahman. I am testifying about the tragic death of my grandfather Rahman Idris. My grandfather was at his early 70s. I recently learned that he died, or in other words, killed in one of those China's re-education camps located in Kashgar city. I think the reasons that he was taken to camp was because he went on to pilgrimage to Saudi Arabia, visited Pakistan and Kazakhstan with my grandmother Tajgul and two other extended family members. Most probably, those who accompanied him throughout his journey are taken to camp as well, because according to China, it is a crime to visit foreign countries for Uyghurs. And I also don't know whereabouts of my father, Mamchan Idris, who's 48 years old, and my mother, Razvan Gül, my sister, Nurbia Mahmoud, and my other sister, Ainur Mahmoud, and my brother, Alimjan Mahmoud, who are at their 20s. I strongly believe that my father, Mamchan Rahman, who is 48 years old, and my brother, Alimjan Mahmoud, who is at his 20s, are taken to camp as well, because when I contacted them the last time at the end of 2015, one of my family members told me that my brother Alimjan was sentenced to 6 months prison and my father was for 1 year and serving his time in Aksu city. And that time I was also told not to call them, and my family was pressured to ask me to come back to China. My auntie Goyagul Rahman and her 3 children, and my brother Mamtmin Rahman and Abduli Rahman, Rehangul Rahman are missing as well.